Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friend we are going to talk about guys how can we solve guys internet problem setting in our Poco phone. Guys, you want to solve guys your internet problem setting in your Poco phone. So how can you solve your internet problem? Today I will show you in this video guys. So before starting video friend, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon and like my video guys. So it's now let's see how to solve internet problem. So when first of all guys we will on our phone setting to solve internet problem guys. After on phone setting guys, you can see this type of setting in your Poco phone guys. So then how can we solve it? So when click on guys your connection sharing option guys, tap here guys. Then guys again scroll guys, you can see your reset setting, tap here guys, tap here the reset setting, this tap here OK option. Then guys your problem will solve after 4 and 5 seconds guys. Sorry fans, I back, don't come back, sorry fans, by mistake I done it. Then guys you can setting has been reset. Then guys your internet problem has solved in your Poco phone guys. You can use guys your internet setting without any problem guys. And guys, do you have any another problem guys related to guys your internet setting guys? Don't worry guys, take a screenshot of your phone model number, send me on comment section, I will check, I will help you. Bye guys.